Samal's exclusive history. Welcome to the island guardian city of Samal, a young city created in 1998 when the former municipalities of Babak, Samal, and Kaputian were merged into one island community. Behind its beaches and resorts is a history that can only be found here, shaped by indigenous peoples, unique communities, and dreams of a garden-like city by the sea. Long before Samal became a city, this island was home to the Sama or Samal people, along with Mansaka and Mandaya settlers from the Davao mainland, organized into communities led by Datus. These groups fished the rich waters of Davao Gulf and traded with nearby islands, giving the island its name and district culture. Many historians say that the island's name, Samal, is linked to the Sama people, making this one of the few cities in the Philippines directly named after an indigenous group that continues to live here today. The Moncadistas and the White House. On a quiet hill in Babac district stands the Moncado White House, the remains of a grand residence built by followers of Hilario General Moncado. His religious political movement and Moncadistas chose Samal as one of their main communities before and after the Second World War. After the war, Moncadistas from different parts of the Philippines flocked to Samal and established two large settlements, including this hilltop estate that once served as a headquarters and symbol of their faith. Over time, many members moved away, leaving behind these ruins that only Samalianis can claim as part of their local story.